What do you got there, Eli?
The Play-Doh.
Yeah?
Dentist.
The dentist?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's a scary neighbor.
Okay.
Okay, hit the car.
Alright, looks like that one's put out by Hasbro.
Yeah.
Play-Doh, got the,
white one.
dental
Look, you can
deal here,
this
dental
is the same
theme.
white.
What happens if you don't brush your teeth, Eli?
Oh, no teeth.
Exactly, no teeth.
Okay, the neighbor's actually happy. Oh.
The neighbor's actually happy?
Yeah.
Hey, did you want to open that one up?
Yeah. Play-Doh, look! You can be with the neighbor! Hey, dog! Oh no, these two have no teeth! Oh no! Dentist! Oh, look! Look! You see that? You see that? No!
Oh yeah, you gotta have the little mirror thing. Here we go. We got all the colors. Okay, this is for making the teeth.
Okay, we got
This is for...
Okay, we got more bust my teeth and neighbor.
Of course we know what this is for. This is for drilling up.
Sorry, neighbor. Okay, we got a story and okay.
Looks like it
Okay,
requires a
we
couple
got the
batteries.
teeth. You can hold it. Okay. Okay. That's it. Oh no!
What's going on over here?
Oh, no teeth.
Oh no, we need a dentist?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna need this?
Oh no teeth. Yeah.
Oh man, that guy obviously didn't take care of his teeth. Here we go, let's make some teeth.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is. We got some teeth. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at this.
Yeah, it's a tooth.
We got another tooth.
Yeah, you gonna make some more?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. And then once they're done, we'll see if they need a little fixing. You ready? Oh yeah, you gonna do some repairing now? Might as well, you know? Make sure that they're right. Good, you're gonna be a dentist someday, that's for sure.
Look, he has
Nice.
teeth.
He has teeth now.
Oh, look.
That's good. Alright. Yeah, I'm not sure what that's for, but I'm sure you're doing it the right way.
Very good.
There you go. Give it a good brush.
Oh, he has teeth.
He's doing a good job.
It's actually a scary neighbor. Oh, look at this tongue. Look at this neighbor's tongue.
Yeah?
Look!
Is he your neighbor?
Look! I got teeth!
Teeth! Hallelujah! Daddy helper.
Got another white.
Here we go. Hey, it's not a perfect looking tooth, but hey, it's still a good tooth. There we go. Pop that sucker in there.
Okay, and I got another tooth.
Yeah, we got. Oh, here's another one.
This is another one.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah.
You can do it. Good. Excellent.
Another one.
Another one. All right, all right. Now we close it. And look, he's got new braces. Look at that. Just like the picture. See?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I think you might need to do some work on those teeth though. Some of them look rotted and you might have to pull it out.
Okay, I'm going to brush my teeth.
I'm not sure if he brushed his teeth very many times.
Okay. You need brushing teeth. Made it. Come on.
Sweet. Let's check it out. You do a pretty good job.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, let's take a look. Oh, nice. Oh, yes. Those turned out very well. Yes, you are an expert dentist.
Oh no!
Oh no, it's coming out of his nose now.
It got more boogers.
A booger. That's crazy.
Ew.
Oh.
Look, no! What tornado? Oh no!
That patient has nothing but cavities. Yeah, we gotta take it out. Oh gosh, look at that. This patient's gonna need a complete dentures.
Okay.
I don't know why we were doing braces.
I'm finished.
Yay, I'm an old gummer now. No teeth. Okay, what's the moral of the story? Brush your teeth or you'll be an old gummer like me. Right, Eli?
Yeah.
High five? Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
That? That's your ball of blood.
It's a ball of blood.
I'm evil dentist. I actually an evil dentist.
Oh, you're an evil dentist?
Yeah.
Oh no. So he's gone to the wrong dentist. Oh, so those teeth were perfectly good and you removed them for no reason?
Yeah.
Oh, man. You're an evil dentist. Well, that's not the kind of good dentist that I would want.
Okay.
Don't you want to be a good dentist?
Yeah, I'm gonna be a happy dentist.
A happy dentist. Well, usually evil dentists aren't happy. They're busy doing evil laughs and hurting people.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
That's too black.
Uh-oh. That's what happens when you get a cavity. It turns black. It turns your good white tooth black.
Goodbye, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye-bye, Merry Christmas.